Entrepreneurs are confident, self-aware, and won't let anything stand in their way to turn their ideas into a reality. So what do world-renowned entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Arianna Huffington have in common? For one, they're not afraid to think bigger than anyone else. They motivate and inspire people to rally around bigger purpose. Entrepreneurs take risks and follow a process, but you don't have to aspire to send mankind to Mars to be a great leader. So what does it really take to be a successful entrepreneur? Well, we're lucky enough to get a behind-the-scenes look at what it's really like to be an entrepreneur and build a successful business, because some of the best and brightest entrepreneurs produce weekly and even daily video content that's engaging, transparent, and motivating. Today, we're counting down the top 10 entrepreneurs with popular YouTube channels. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ksebati. I'm the co-founder and CEO of MySwimPro, and on this channel, I share a behind-the-scenes look at what it's really like building a global technology and media company. So if you're interested in entrepreneurship, startups, or investing in startups, be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and let me know in the comments who your favorite entrepreneur vlogger is. And now, let's begin. We have to start off this list with Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary V is the CEO of VaynerMedia, a $200 million ad agency in New York City with offices around the world. He is a serial entrepreneur, author, and keynote speaker. In his vlog, he'll take you behind the scenes of the daily life of an entrepreneur running a 1,000-person plus organization. His channel is insightful, entertaining, and quite frankly, the most raw version of entrepreneurship. There's no question that Gary V is a hustler. He'll not only take you into meetings, but also on Uber rides, planes, public speaking gigs. This guy does not stop working. He spends his Saturdays bouncing from garage sale to garage sale, flipping toys on eBay. Gary V has literally thousands and thousands of videos on his YouTube channels. If you're wondering how he has so much content, he has a personal media team that follows him around nearly 24/7. He also has a curse-free channel and translates his content into Arabic, Chinese, Spanish, and Portuguese. If YouTube stalking isn't enough for you, Gary V even lets you text him. Talk about around-the-clock engagement. Coming in second on the list is Patricia Bright. The rise of influencer culture has transformed the way we interact with and gain insight to the lives of who we admire. Patricia Bright, whose refreshingly honest approach, relentless hustle, and ambition has made her one of the most popular social media successes in the United Kingdom. Almost 10 years after her first video upload, Patricia Bright now has over 3 million YouTube subscribers and has worked with renowned brands like Dwar, Amazon, and Coca-Cola. Her success story attracts a constant influx of questions around starting a business and following your passion. Patricia sees the need to pay it forward and help others in the position that she once was. She's a TEDx speaker, and on her business channel, The Break platform, Patricia talks finance, business, and empowers women to be proactive in their investments, purchasing property, and building businesses. Make sure you check out her channel. Next up is millennial millionaire Kram. Kram has quickly asserted himself as one of the top business and finance YouTubers, talking about real estate, investing, and how to reach your financial independence regardless of your income level and background. Kram started his real estate career back in 2008 after graduating high school, and since then he has sold over $120 million in real estate. He started vlogging in late 2016, and now he has millions of subscribers across all his YouTube channels, sharing a behind-the-scenes look of how he's building his real estate empire, living frugally, drinking 20-cent iced coffee, and investing his money. Kram is relatable, he's down to earth, and he loves it when you destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. By the way, if you haven't already destroyed the like button on this video, let's obliterate it. Kram is certainly someone to subscribe to if you're looking to learn more about personal finance, real estate investing, and becoming an entrepreneur. Next up on the list is Forleo, an entrepreneur, writer, philanthropist, and unshakable optimist dedicated to helping her followers become all they aspire to be. Today, Marie inspires millions through her work as a life coach. She's an award-winning show on YouTube, and she has a massive growing audience. She's a #1 New York Times best-selling author, and on her channel, she shares how to create a business and life that you love. Subscribe to Marie to be inspired and empowered by her positive vibes. Next up on the list is billion-dollar broker Ryan Sirhan. You may have seen him on Bravo's TV series $1 Million Listing or Sell It Like Sirhan, but Ryan Sirhan is not just an actor putting on a show. He's a real entrepreneur building one of the largest real estate brokerages in New York City. On his weekly vlog, he'll not only take you on mega property tours around the United States. These houses are absolutely insane. But it'll also inspire you to take action on your ideas and make stuff happen. Ryan is a motivational machine, and it's no surprise he has inspired thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs through his books, speaking engagements, and of course his vlog. So be sure to subscribe for a behind-the-scenes look at what it's like building a real estate empire or how to take your business to the next level. Next up is Marina Miguel of Silicon Valley Girl. If you're not familiar with Marina, she's a millennial entrepreneur running multiple companies. Her main business is called LangoTrip, and that helps people learn languages through travel abroad. She started the company in her early 20s, and now the business has over 80 international employees. She also has a company called Fluent Express, and she runs multiple YouTube vlogs. In total, her YouTube channels have over 5 million subscribers. Marina vlogs on language learning, productivity, and she empowers young entrepreneurs around the world by sharing a behind-the-scenes look at what it's really like to build a global technology company from the Silicon Valley perspective. She's an inspiration and motivation to so many entrepreneurs, so make sure you're subscribed to Marina Miguel. Next up is marketing wizard Noah Kagan. Noah is the founder and chief sumo of Sumo Group, where he helps entrepreneurs grow their businesses online through powerful marketing tools. He was employee number 30 at Facebook and number 4 at Mint.com. He's also worked at Intel and offers a lot of both real-world startup and marketing advice through his YouTube channel and blog. He has an awesome podcast, and he really does take you behind the scenes at how he thinks about building a business and also his personal brand online. I've personally been following him for over 5 or 6 years. He even shares exactly how much money he's making every single year, offering transparency and even some entertainment along the way. Next up is Sunny Lenarduzzi. Sunny helps entrepreneurs build their personal brands, master YouTube, and ultimately be your own boss. She's built a successful brand herself and a course curriculum that's done over $10 million in lifetime sales. Absolutely insane. As an entrepreneur, broadcaster, and teacher, Sunny shares real-world examples of how she's building her business and what you can learn from her entrepreneurial success and failures. She's on a mission to help people own their entrepreneurial game. I love it. Her personality and energy is contagious, and it's no doubt that she'll continue to inspire entrepreneurs around the world to be their own boss. Meet Patrick Betdavid. Patrick brings a real sense of hustle to his business and also his YouTube channel. He started one of the fastest growing companies in the financial marketplace, and he's passionate about sharing and shaping the next generation of leaders by teaching thought-provoking principles on entrepreneurship and disrupting the traditional approach to going to college and starting a career. Check out some of his popular YouTube videos. One of them, I believe, has over 30 million views. The day in the life, the real struggles of being an entrepreneur. Check it out. Life is too damn short to be stuck doing something you hate. Vanessa Lao. Vanessa escaped the corporate 9-to-5 to become an entrepreneur, content marketing expert, and coach. She scaled her business faster than almost anyone and takes to YouTube to share how to grow your personal brand on social media and build a real business. Vanessa credits her success to taking ownership of her life and pursuing her dreams. She's honest, transparent, and knows how to make stuff happen. Vanessa just revealed how she made over $1 million through social media, so make sure you subscribe to her. And now a few honorable mentions, because as you can see, these entrepreneurs are inspiring and they show the world of what can happen if you take action. There are so many great entrepreneurs sharing their stories online, so be sure to let me know in the comments who I missed. And I'll even throw out a few additional honorable mentions that didn't make this list, including Tony Robbins, Tim Ferriss, Simon Sinek, Tai Lopez, Catherine Manning, Charlie Chang. There's so many. Check them out. I'll link some of them in the description below. If you're looking for organizations that also have YouTube channels that are helping entrepreneurs scale their businesses, I highly recommend these. Check out This Week in Startups by Jason Calacanis, Y Combinator, and Founder Magazine. And last but certainly not least, subscribe to Forbes for exclusive interviews and tips from the most successful entrepreneurs in the world. As a Forbes 30 Under 30 lister myself, be sure to check out the Forbes 30 Under 30 channel on YouTube as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, hit the notification bell, and feel free to follow me on social media for a behind-the-scenes look at what it's like to build a global technology and media company. Until next time, keep hustling.